If you're a business owner, you already know what it's like to take bold risks. You've poured dreams, dollars, and energy into building something from scratch. But here's the thing, those same instincts that made you a great founder can sometimes trip you up when it comes to your personal investments. Today, let's talk about the most common mistakes business owners make with wealth, and better yet, how to sidestep those traps as you build a lasting legacy for your family and community. For those of you who don't know me, my name is Daniel Miller. I'm a financial advisor, and I help business owners steward their wealth with purpose and generosity. As someone who's advised entrepreneurs across industries, from people in local shops to nationally known e-commerce brands, I've seen both the triumphs and costly lessons of mixing business thinking with personal finances. My goal is to help you honor what you've built and translate that success into true financial freedom and good stewardship, not just growth. Success in business often doesn't translate to smart investing. In fact, some habits that drive your company's growth can actually sabotage your portfolio. Whether it's pouring everything into familiar markets, ignoring risk, or letting headlines spook you out of good decisions, these missteps can keep your wealth from working as hard as you do. In this video, I'll break down not only what those mistakes look like, but specific and doable ways to avoid them. You'll leave with a framework to make confident, disciplined choices that serve your goals, your family, and if it matters to you, your faith. Mistake number one is a lack of diversification. Let's start with diversification. It's only natural to double down on what you know best, your business. Many owners funnel most investable assets right back into the company, or pick a few trusted stocks, believing their industry connection is safety enough. But imagine if your business sector gets hit hard. Both your company and your nest egg could take a painful fall. Diversification means spreading wealth across stocks, bonds, real estate, and international markets. So if one area dips, others can keep you upright. It's all about foundation, not just flash. I'm a big proponent of making concentrated bets, but there still needs to be diversification so that if something doesn't pan out the way you hope, you're not in a financial disaster. Mistake number two is ignoring your real risk appetite. Entrepreneurs are wired for risk, but your investments shouldn't just mirror your business bravado. Ask yourself, if these funds drop 20%, would I see it as an opportunity or would it keep me up at night? Your investment approach should fit your stage of life, your goals, and your ability to weather volatility, not just your competitive spirit. It's okay to love a good challenge, but don't let that put your family's future on the line. Setting clear objectives and working with an advisor means you're not leaving your financial future up to a gut feeling. Mistake number three is emotional decision making. Here's a big one. Letting emotions drive your financial moves. Market dips can trigger panic, while news about the next big thing can prompt reckless investing. Acting on fear or hype is a surefire way to buy high, sell low, and lose over time. Instead, lean into a strategy with built-in discipline, regular reviews, a commitment to staying the course through highs and lows, and accountability with a professional partner. Remember, investing is a long game. The best results come from faithfulness to the plan, not chasing every headline. Mistake number four is failing to rebalance and review. Business owners are busy. Portfolios that started out diversified can get out of whack over time. Stocks outpace bonds, or one sector suddenly dominates. If you never revisit your allocations, you could be carrying far more risk than you realize. Making annual or semi-annual rebalancing a habit helps you lock in gains, manage exposure, and keep your investments reflecting your evolving goals. If you have someone you're working with, they're likely doing this for you. If you're DIYing while running a company, it's likely not been done in a long time and is something you should schedule. Mistake number five is too much DIY, not enough advice. Finally, business owners often try to go it alone. It's tempting to bring the I built this mindset into investments. And while independence is great, outside perspective is powerful. A quality advisor isn't there to control your decisions, but to bring objectivity, help you evaluate options clearly, and ensure your strategies really do work for you over time. If you're set on managing it all yourself, you could still benefit from a flat fee advisor who looks at things annually, does financial planning, but allows you to make the investment decisions. That's a growing portion of the market, and it's an area that I'm proud to serve. Mistakes are part of every journey, but disciplined, intentional investing turns your business wins into generational impact. If you're ready to clarify your plan, get a professional's opinion, or simply want to be sure your investments reflect your unique vision as a business owner, let's chat. Reach out for a personalized conversation. Your family and future self will thank you. If this was helpful, go ahead and subscribe, like, or share with another business owner you care about. The journey from entrepreneur to smart investor is about more than money. It's about stewardship and legacy. Thanks for letting me be a part of yours.